All right. Today we're gonna talk about how I think the marijuana industry is going to explode. I think this is going to be one of the biggest, most explosive industries in 2021. And let's watch this video to start. So that's good. So I'm going to stop the video right there. So let me just say, weed stocks went up, or pot stocks, whatever you want to call it, went up when we were in the middle of the coronavirus stock market crash. So I think this is going to be a very positive catalyst for this company. And I'm looking at specifically Sundial Growers, which I like because it's a relatively small market cap. And when, we'll see these names. If you want to go into Afria or Tilray, these are also really good plays, in my opinion. Basically, anything in the marijuana sector is going to do very well upon legalization efforts. This industry is going to do very well. I mean, and then we have, look at this. When we go back to like a 6 month chart, this is when the forum Wall Street Bets, which is right here, which has almost 10 million people on it, hyped this stock up. And we saw it go all the way from, what was it, like, 17 cents all the way up to 2.95. The chart doesn't show it, but in the day it was over like four, or it was like in the high threes or somewhere around there. But it was just crazy growth. And I think there's a 50-50 chance. Don't take this as financial advice, but I do think this is going to blow up. The same, Wall Street Bets also pumped this company called GameStop a while ago, which we saw, it was floating around the $4 range, even lower than that at times, like $2. And then we saw it go all the way up to here. And it says 347, but I saw that stock at almost $500, which was a massive gain. So if you would have invested right when the coronavirus hit, if you would have put $1,000 into GameStop, you would have, you know, over $100,000, which is pretty crazy. That's a huge gain. Like that's 100 grand, my guy. That's 100 times gain. So this is not a long-term play, and don't do this if you don't feel comfortable, and do not risk an amount of money you can't afford to lose, because if the entire market flops and we go into another crash, then this play won't work. But I do think that there's a good chance that this will happen. And yeah, I would go for it. I think Sundial Growers is going to do very well. We see it's been selling off pretty, consistently. I think we're kind of nearing a bottom. I mean, we have democratic legislation which could potentially legalize stuff, right? So I think this is going to do very well. I think we're going to see a lot of growth in this industry. And I think if you want to go into Tilray or Afria, Organigram, Canopy Growth, if you go on Robinhood and you look at the cannabis sector, you're going to see a lot of stuff on there that's going to be good. But yeah, I think Sundial Growers, my price target for 420. I think there's a fair chance that we'll see it go up to $4. I mean, it's aggressive, but if it hits that, a lot of people are going to make a lot of money. So I think this is going to be a really good play for the short term. And yeah, that's my video. So thank you for watching. I don't normally do these types of videos. Again, this company doesn't run on fundamentals, but this is clearly just a speculative play, if you will. So it's purely based off of hype. So play it if you want. But yeah, that's the play. And all right, that's the video.